A garden sculpture isn't just an ornament. It's an architectural anchor. Most people buy a statue to fill a gap. A senior designer creates a sculpture to define a sanctuary. Today, we are performing Material Alchemy on your outdoor space, revealing enchanting garden sculpture ideas that transform raw materials into modern Zen statements. If you want to walk into your backyard and feel the weight of the world lift your home, I'm Becky, and this is the Sculpture Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is about the intersection of nature and artistry. We are exploring expressive garden art, pieces that provide more than just beauty. They provide a breathtaking perspective. In 2026, we are moving toward organic geometry and sustainable luxury. We aren't just adding to the garden. We are curating an inspired outdoor area that reflects your infinite potential. The Sculpture Revelation, a masterclass in material alchemy. 1. The philosophy of the garden gallery. Creating a garden that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing can be a deeply rewarding experience. But why do some gardens feel like a collection, while others feel like a breathtaking sanctuary? The secret is the architectural skeleton, and nothing builds that skeleton better than sculpture. By integrating art into your outdoor space, you can create a sanctuary that reflects your personal style and provides an environment full of peace and inspiration. Whether you have a small patio or a sprawling backyard, there are countless ways to infuse your garden with creative flair. We are moving past the generic birdbath and into the realm of material alchemy. This is the process of taking the humble, the stone, the rusted iron, the fallen timber, and elevating it through intentional design. In 2026, we are looking for pieces that offer tactile integrity, sculptures that age with the garden, catching the moss, the rain, and the luminous shadows of the setting sun. We want our art to be alive. A sculpture shouldn't look the same in July as it does in January. It should be a weathered witness to the seasons, gaining character as the brass patinas or the stone gathers lichen. This is the difference between decor and soulful curation. We are building a spatial integrity that tethers your home to the earth. 2. Modern Zen and the Obsidian Silhouette. In 2026, one of the most powerful trends is modern Zen. This isn't about traditional statues or literal interpretations. It's about geometric silhouettes. We use a technique I call the obsidian silhouette. By taking mismatched stones or upcycled metal and finishing them in a matte, dark palette, we create spatial integrity. These dark forms stand in high contrast to the vibrant greens of your plants, creating a visual volume that feels expensive and curated. Imagine a tall, slender pillar made of stacked river stones, secured with a hidden steel rod. This is an enchanting sculpture idea that takes zero budget but provides a museum-grade focal point. It draws the eye upward, creating infinite volume even in a tiny urban courtyard. When you use dark tones, charcoals, deep navies, or true obsidian, the sculpture absorbs the light, making the surrounding foliage look neon bright in comparison. It's about the linear rhythm, the way the sculpture guides your movement through the space. A vertical sculpture acts as an exclamation point in the landscape, telling the eye where to stop and rest. It's a silent guide. By placing these anchors strategically, you define the boundaries of your piece. You aren't just looking at a rock, you are looking at the geometric integrity of your own refuge. Three. Expressive garden art. The personal touch. Gardens are spaces where creativity meets nature. Expressive garden art is about the personal dialogue. If you have a piece of funky junk, perhaps an old iron gear, a discarded copper pipe, or a weathered piece of driftwood, don't hide it. Perform material alchemy. Combine that wood with polished glass or copper wire to create an organic abstract. This mix of rough and refined is the hallmark of sustainable luxury. It speaks to the sentimentalism we value in 2026. We are tired of mass-produced, hollow resin statues that mean nothing. We want the weight of history. These pieces become conversation starters, but more importantly, they become reflective anchors. When you sit near a piece of art you've crafted from the discarded, you are reminded of your own infinite potential to transform the world around you. You see the beauty in the broken. A sculpture made from a rusted wheel and a glass prism captures the sun and throws rainbow ghosts across your patio. That is expressive artistry. It's a personal signature that tells the world, a creator lives here. It's about finding the breathtaking perspective in the items everyone else walked past. Four. Creating atmospheric stillness. A well-placed sculpture can actually change the sound of your garden. Not literally, but through atmospheric stillness. By placing a low, wide stone sculpture near water, you create a sense of Zen inspiration. The sculpture acts as a tactile anchor, grounding the fluid energy of the water. It provides a visual, heavy note that balances the light, splashing sounds of a fountain. We also focus on shadow architecture. In 2026, we don't just design for the day. We design for the luminous integrity of the night. By placing a small solar spotlight at the base of your sculpture, you cast long, dramatic shadows against your fences or walls. This turns a simple backyard into a breathtaking sanctuary that lives and breathes after dark. This is spatial integrity at its finest. The sculpture isn't just an object, it's a generator of atmosphere. The way a shadow stretches across a lawn can make a small garden feel like a vast estate. We call this infinite volume. By curating the light and the dark, you are engineering a mood. You are ensuring that your sanctuary remains vocal, even when the sun goes down, whispering a message of calm through the play of luminous shadows. Five. The master curation. As we walk through these ideas, remember the golden rule of the senior designer: less is more. One architectural statement is worth more than 10 small ornaments. When you clutter a space with tiny trinkets, the noise returns. To find the quiet, you must embrace the void. Choose your placement based on visual echoes. If you have a tall tree on one side, place a vertical sculpture on the other to balance the geometric silhouette. If you have a round, bubbling water feature, contrast it with a sharp, angular sculpture. This tension is what makes a garden feel designed rather than decorated. The possibilities are endless. From sculptures to custom planters, you are the artist of your own refuge. You are taking their plain and making it breathtaking. You are proving that luxury isn't a price tag. It's a mindset of mindful creation. Your garden is a living gallery, and you are the curator. Every piece you place should serve the spatial integrity of your soul. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the inspired outdoor area. My hope is that you look at your garden today not as a list of chores, but as a canvas for material alchemy. Find that one spot, build that one sculpture, and watch how it anchors your piece. If you've started a garden art project or found a piece of funky junk that has infinite potential, tell me about it in the comments. I love seeing your expressive artistry. Hit that subscribe button for our soulful Sunday reveal, and I'll see you next week for our next breathtaking reveal. Stay inspired. Remember, your garden is an extension of your soul. Don't be afraid to experiment with modern Zen and sustainable luxury. Use what you have, honor the earth, and create a space that reflects your infinite potential. Trust your eye, follow the linear rhythm of your heart, and don't stop until your space feels like a prism of tranquility. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep creating, and keep finding the quiet.